Hello friends, welcome to Ilango Notes. In this video, I am going to show the 7 practical examples of bad command in Linux. So what is bad command? Bad command is actually new Linux command which is developed using Rust language. It is very similar to cat command. The main purpose of bad command is used to create a file and show the file contents. And we can say it is a simply clone of cat command with some additional features like syntax highlighting, line numbers. Okay. And important note, by default this command is not installed on your machine, so you need to install this command based on your Linux distribution before it is used in your terminal. Okay, so with the internet connection you can easily install this command. Now I am going to show the main usage of the bad command. Number 1 is file creation, number 2 is displaying the content of file, number 3 is appending text to file, number 4 is files merging, number 5 is displaying file contents without line numbers. Number 6 is displaying specific range of lines in a file. Number 7 is highlight the range of lines in a file. Now we will see one by one with examples. So first one is file creation. Normally if you want to create a file you can choose a cat command. So this is most basic. So like cat command, this command is also used to create a file. So like cat command, it will take the same syntax. So this command will take only one argument to create a file. So with the help of the output redirection operator, this command will take the input from standard input and write it into the given file. So this is the standard syntax. So bad space greater than symbol. The greater than symbol is called as output redirection operator and followed by your file name. So you can give any user defined name with or without a file extensions. Okay, and this is the sample example here I have mentioned. So bad greater than file name. After entering the file name you can write some contents, and once you complete simply press Ctrl C. Then after that simply type bad space filem.txt, so you can get the file contents. Now I will show the demo. So here just type bad followed by greater than symbol and followed by file name. So after enter that you need to type some input. Okay, so once your input is okay, then simply press Ctrl C from your keyboard. Now file is completed. So after the verification you can use a ls command, or you can use bad space file name. So you can get the content. Okay, so this is the first example, and second example is displaying the file contents. So like cat command, this command is also used to show the file contents of single file as well as multiple file at the same time. Okay, so it follow the same syntax like cat command. Okay, the one difference is that, so if you want to show the line number in cat command you need to use the X option N. But in case of the bad command, no need to use any option. By default it will show the line numbers. So this is the main difference between cat command and bad command. Now I will show the demo. So bad space filem.txt, this is the content of the single file. Suppose if you want to add some additional file, you can add n number of files. So this is the file 1 and file 1 input, and this is the file 2 and file 2 input. Okay. Then third one is appending text to existing file. So like cat command, this command is also support text appending. So this command is used to append the contents of new contents of text to end of your old file. So this is done with the help of the append operator double greater than symbol. So single greater than symbol is used for creating a file, and double greater than symbol is used for appending the text. So this is the general point. So the syntax is simply type bad space double greater than symbol, then followed by old file name. So if you are giving new file name, it will create a new file. So if you are giving the old file name, it will simply append the text. Now I will show the demo. So this is the old file f2.txt. So after that I am typing bad double greater than f2.txt. Then after that you need to type some text, and once complete just give Ctrl C. So after the verification you can type bad space your existing file name. So here you can see the new difference. Now I will show the live demo. first I will take the existing example. So this is my existing file. So here I need to add some content. So after that you need to type some content. Welcome and good. Okay, now input is okay. After that simply press Ctrl C from keyboard. Now the contents are appended to end of the existing file. Okay, so simply type backspace your file name. So the last three are examples of the text appending. So in this way you can use the text appending features. Then fourth one is files merging. So like cat command, this command also support files merging. So this command is used to merge the contents of multiple files into single file, and this is done with the help of the output redirection operator single. Okay, so if you are using single file name, so it is create a new file. If you are using multiple file as an input, it is example for files merging. So this is a sample example. So let us consider the file 1 and let us consider file 2, and this is the file 3. Then simply backspace your number of input files. So here the n is, you can specify n number of files based on your requirement. So here I have mentioned 3 files. So the content of 3 files are merged into a single file m3.txt. Okay, so this is the output. Now I will show the live demo. So here first I will show the sample file. Okay, cat g1 and jk.txt. This is second file and this is third file. Now I simply merge this. I simply merge the contents of these 3 files into single file. So first file is f1 g1 and second file is jk.txt and third file is message.txt. Followed by you need to give single operator, single greater than symbol. Then finally merge process. So here you can give any user defined name with .txt or without .txt. So files mergings are completed. So after that simply type backspace newly created file name. So here you can see the content of file 1 and here you can see the content of file 2 and this is the content of file 3. So in this way you can merge contents of n number of files into single file. So this is an example of files merging operation and it is very similar to cat command. So this is a sample example of merged files. And fifth one is so displaying the file contents without line numbers. By default the bat command will show the file contents with line number, unlike a cat command. Suppose if you want to hide or if you don't like to show the line numbers when you are using bat command, you can simply mention the special option _plain. Okay, so bat _plain your input file. So if you give like this way, so it will show only the file contents without line numbers. Okay, now I will show the live demo. So first I simply give the file name. By default it will show the line numbers. Okay, so if you want to hide the file number, line number, simply type _plain followed by your input file. So it will show only file contents without any line number. So in this way you can use this option. The next one is displaying the specific range of lines in a file. So this is a new feature. It is possible to print only the specific range of lines in the input file using bat command. So this is done with the help of the special option R followed by line numbers like start and end. In between of start and end you need to use the colon operator. So this is a sample example. Option R and 2 followed by 5. So this example print lines from 2 to 5. So that is starting line is 2 and ending line is 5. So here option R :5. So here the start number is missed. So by default it will take from 1 and ending number is 5. So print lines 1 to 5. and third one is option R, L1 colon. So here the end option is missed, so it will print lines 1 to till end. Suppose if your file contains 5 means it will print 1 from 5. Suppose if your file contains 3 lines, it will print 1 to 3. And last one is, suppose if you want to print only exact the random number, you can specify the number without any colon operator. So here I want to print only third line, so option are third. So because colon operator is missed, so no start and no end, so this is the exact number, so it will print only third line. So the syntax is BAT, option R, start line colon end line and followed by very input file. So this is the sample examples. So here I have used option R, 1 followed by 3 and input file. So in this input file, 1 is a starting number and 3 is a ending number, both are inclusive, so it will print the lines from 1 to 3. And next one is option R, 1 followed by colon. So starting number is mentioned, that is 1, and ending number is missed, so by default it will consider the total number of lines. So the total number of lines for this file is 5, so it will print 1 from 5. And here option R, then colon followed by 2. So here starting number is missed, so by default it will consider from the first line. So starting is 1 and ending is 2, so it will print only 2 lines. And here print lines 1 to 5 in the input file. So here starting number is missed, by ending is mentioned as a 5, so it will consider from 1 to 5, so it will print 1 to 5. Suppose if you want to print only exact fourth line, so you can mention line number without colon operator, so it will print only fourth line. Okay, now I will show the demo. First I will show the general contents. So here the file contains actually 5 lines. Okay, now we need to filter. Option R, starting number 1 and ending number 3 space input file. So it will show 1 to 3 because starting number is 1 and ending number is 3, so we can expect only 3 lines. Suppose if I don't mention the starting number, it will automatically consider the starting is 1, and you can filter the ending number. For example, instead of 3 you can give 2, so it will print only 2. If you are giving 4 means it will show 1 to 4. Okay, so in this way you can filter. Then other option is, suppose you can miss a ending option. So here the starting number is 1 but ending option is missed. The total number of line here is 5, so automatically it will print 5. Okay, suppose if you want to print line number from 3 to 5, so just mention 3 and no need to specify as end because it is a sequence value, so it will print only 3 to 5. Suppose if you want to print the exact third line, simply remove the colon operator and type. Okay, suppose if you want exactly second number, simply mention line number. So in this way you can print the group of lines, specific lines or group of sequential lines. Then last example is highlight the range of lines in the file. So it is similar as the previous example. So instead of printing the file, it will also print the files with highlight options. Okay, so it is possible to highlight only specific range of the lines in the input file using BAT command, and this is done with the help of the special option H followed by the line numbers. So it follows the exactly same syntax as the previous example. So just to replace small r with H. H means it is a highlighting. So option H, 2 followed by 5. So it will simply unlike previous example, this example by default will show all the contents, but it will filter only highlights, that is it will highlight lines from 2 to 5. So here option 5, so highlight lines 1 to 5 and highlight from lines 1 to end and highlight only third line. Okay, so this is the syntax. and this is the sample example. So bad option H 224 message.txt. So by default this command will show all the contents, but in the output example you can see the highlight from 2 to 4. So 2, 3, 4. Only these 3 lines are highlighted. And 1 followed by end. So there is no end option. By default it will consider the total number of lines 5. So 1 to 5. So from 1 to 5 all the lines are highlighted. And here the start number is missed, so by default it will consider as 1 and ending number is 2. So first 2 lines are highlighted. And here the option is 4 and there is no colon operator, so exactly 4th line is highlighted. Okay, so in this way you can highlight the specific lines or group of lines or multiple lines. Now I will show the demo. First I will take the sample example. This is a sample file. So bad option H, then 1:3. So first 3 lines are highlighted. So this is a highlight option. So here theme is actually brown color. So if you are changing the themes different, you can see the different options. Okay. Suppose if you want to change the options 2 to 4, so this is a 2 to 4. So if you want to highlight exactly 4th number, only 4th lines are highlighted. So in this way you can filter your highlight options. Okay. So this is the highlight options. So in this tutorial we have seen 7 important practical examples of bad command. So try these options with your terminal. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like our channel, and thank you for watching the video.